You can't tell how someone feels just by looking at them, what they dress like, or what they share online. To the outside world, our lives may look perfect, even if in reality they are not. We all have had mental health problems in one way or another. For instance, have you ever felt sad or down? Have you ever been confused or reduced ability to concentrate? Have you ever had excessive fears or worries? Have you ever had an extreme mood changes of highs and low? And so many of these symptoms that are shown on the screen? If so, then you have suffered mental illness in one way or another. World Health Organization says that mental health is a state of well-being in which an individual realizes his or her own abilities, can cope with the normal stress of life, can work productively, and is able to make contribution to his or her community. A simple search on world problems reveals that mental health takes a higher precedence than global pandemic, climate change, overpopulation, and so much more problems. Since I'm predominantly a tech person, my research is focused on mental health in tech industry. In surveys done by OSMI over the years since 2014, having more than 4,218 respondents on mental health in tech industry, the respondents were asked whether they had mental health in the past or they were suffering from mental health currently. For both questions, most people either suffer mental health and many of them are currently suffering from mental health. But who exactly is likely to suffer mental health? About 60% of people who suffer mental health issues within the information technology sector are women. Dev evangelists are most likely to suffer mental illness, then designers, followed closely by one-person shop and people in leadership positions. Our original quest in the direction of creating a profile for a person who is most likely to suffer mental illness. The previous analysis can give you a clear picture of how this profile may look like. But the underlying factor is that everyone is vulnerable to suffer mental health problems. When we inspected Adabus trying to get the features that best describe someone who is most likely to get mental illness, we found out that apart from age, factors related to openness in terms of having an open mind and being comfortable discussing mental health with colleagues, employees, and employers can help ease mental illness in the tech industry.